first thing first, let's load our data set. So this is the data set which we are going to visualize. So let's click on load. So our data set is being loading. So total 631 rows are there, as you can see on the screen. So, so yeah. So first thing first, we're gonna build cards. Okay. And as you can see on the right side, the data set is loaded. So let's change the canvas background first. After that, I'm gonna start building the dashboard. Okay. And let's have our first card. Let's show average closing price. Going over here. Okay. Let's decrease the font size. Average closing price. Okay. Keeping it bold, keeping it in center. Okay. Let's keeping it at the very top. Let's background visual border on 5x 5. Okay. Okay, I guess going to fits. Okay. Let's see what else I can do over here. Let's increase the transparency a bit. Okay. We can have it light gray. Okay. So here I can have volume by sum. Okay. Let's changing the title. Total trading volume. Okay. Now let's have another card. Here I can have maximum closing price. Okay. So now let's have our Very first visualization is going to be line chart. So let's have date over here, only year, and average closing price. Okay. So in the title, let's have stock price trend. Okay. Yeah. So now let's have another visualization, which is going to be clustered column chart. And here I'm gonna have volume and a sum of it, making it red. Trading volume. Here I can have high versus low. Okay, and here I can have date, high, low, and average of it. So changing the color now. First changing it for average of high, red, and then changing it for average of low, which is maroon. So all done. So now let's have another visualization, which is combo chart. So here in Power BI, we're gonna click on line and stacked column chart, or you can use line and clustered as well. So over here, I'm gonna have already have date. So I'm gonna have volume by sum in the y-axis and close average. So in the lines, the color we can have red, and in the columns maroon, or vice versa. Okay, now all done. Let's add a slicer as well. Dragging date, making it by hierarchy. Slice header off, making it drop down. Date range. Okay, so now let's add a few PNGs to give more aesthetic appeal to this dashboard. So as you can see, I've already added a few PNGs which I've already had shortlisted before starting the project. You can add any PNG you want as per your own liking. So see, we can see the different data by selecting the date range. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.